Now we are discussing about leather and rubber business ideas. In that today we are discussing about leather business. Leather business ideas. Ladies footwear. Ladies love to look glamorous and beneficial and beautiful and are willing to spend lots of money on footwear. If your footwear is of high quality, can be popular and sell nicely. You should decide whether you want to manufacture footwear or retail footwear. And next point is leather belts. Leather belt manufacturers work exceedingly hard to meet the demand for consumers. Leather belts are good export commodity and attack high prices abroad. Many companies outsource the production of leather belts. And next point is a leather bag. Manufacturing leather bags is a lucrative business venture. Leather is durable, tough and very rugged with high aesthetic value. To start this business, you need lots of startup capital. And next point is leather furniture business. Prices of leather chairs. Lately, leather chairs are the high-end market of furniture making business. The reason is because they are durable, tough and beautiful. And next point is leather purse and wallets. Wallets and purses are high demand because of simplicity and functionality. It is rare to see a woman or man without a bag, purse or wallet. Nowadays, especially below average people are not using purses because purse will be very big and the money is very less. So that they are having a simple paper. In that paper only, common paper they are using. In that paper they are using their notes and putting in fan pockets or anywhere. By that what is happening is it will not look very high. So pickpocketing will not be done. So that is their safety. But purses are important for currency will not be domestic. So that. And next point is leather watch band business. Good quality watch bands are in high demand. Watch bands are highly exportable, easily to handle and transport. In this business, should maintain good quality and prompt delivery service. Even though also nowadays watches are using everywhere because in mobile also you can get very good accurate time also. Even though some people 50% not 50%, around 30% of the people are using watches. It is a style, but actually employees are not using watches. Every time they are using their mobile and seeing their time. So watch consumption is also reduced 50% by coming mobiles. It is also a good change. Next point is leather gloves. Leather gloves sell best in the cold regions of the world. They don't do well in tropical areas like Africa, but sell best in temperate areas. Gloves are generally export commodities and with proper marketing sell nicely. And next point is a leather traveling bag business. Leather traveling bags are very popular because of their durability and strength. Some manufacturers and retailers concentrate on only traveling bag business. And nowadays traveling bag business is most important because their luggage and mobiles and identity proofs, all these they are keeping on that while going in while traveling also. So that time bags are most important and you should be durable and as well as you should be comfortable. So it is a very good business. And next point is high fashion accessories. Other leather bag products are categorized under traveling bags and leather suitcases. Leather traveling bags and suitcases also found way as a high fashion accessory. Good location for your factory. Next point is good location for your factory. And get the appropriate machinery, build a brand, a business, a market your items and you will get moderate success in this sector. If you want to start leather business very well means, so first you should have an experience. So try to do under a senior person regarding leather business and all this. Then if you start, if you start, you can understand where the raw materials will come, how we can make the finished goods, and what sort of transportation is required, where is the location is comfortable. All these things if you understand, and please, before doing everything, please make a document. MS Word document is there. It will give step by step what to do next, what to do. Then once if you are starting the project, you need not think, only according to the document only you have to do step 1, step 2, step 3 process. If you are going on without time taking, you can complete that and you can implement it and you can get very good business. But once a project is starting, means you should not do research and research. Everything should be completed. Research will be completed before documentation. Once the documentation is there, you should follow that. Then it will give you a good success to you. And next point is what country has the best leather? The most important leather producing countries are Italy and Korea, followed by the states of the former USSR, India, Brazil, Mexico, USA and China. And the most important thing is nowadays, working ladies are also understanding the world, and the youth and the people also, they are using domestic chappals only, because for functions use they may get to 1 or 2 or 3 chappals in person in home, but while coming to office they are using domestic chappals only for the longevity. So they are also having very good awareness, and it is beautiful and it is comfortable to the world. And next point is what leather is best. Full grain leather is the highest quality grade of leather money can buy. It comes from the top layer of the hide and includes all of the natural grain. On the other hand, top grain leather is the second highest grade of leather and has the outermost layer of the hide removed. And the next point is the 25 best men leather jackets. Scott vintage fitted leather motorcycle jacket, Roland Sands Ronin leather jackets, and the Scott Wax natural peppered cowhide cave leather jacket, and Belstaff outlaw leather jacket. Likewise, so many leather jackets are there. And next point is where are the leather jackets made? Most leather jackets are produced in Pakistan, India, Canada, Mexico and the United States using hides left over from the meat industry. But instead of, when compared to India, Pakistan is the best producer of leather jackets, leather shoes and leather goggles and safety equipment. They are making very well, and they are giving dealership also to all over the world. This is the information regarding leather business. Wishing you all the best.